vid. Of course, as y'all know, I changed my name from Hellfire to Proto. So I should say, yo guys, what's good? It is me, Proto, back with another vid. But today we're playing SCP 3008, and I'm not playing alone. As you can tell, I'm already playing with one of my friends. His name is Fabio. Bro, jump onto this. Hello? Let's finish making this base. I hate you. Fabio, I hate you. You know that, right? Escape route! Ha! I'm blocking it off! You're not coming up here!
I actually did not know it was not actually bloody now. I actually thought it would like turn like a normal night. Wait, let me change that.
Throwing that. Nah, gang, it's too late. You can't change it once you've already the damage has already been dealt. There's no need in trying to fix it. Good boy. No!
Oh wait, that's right.
I see something. Bro, don't tell me you spawned what I think you spawned in.
Oh shit, he's fast.
Bro, you're dead. Oh my god, it's a chicken nugget. I just got launched to the other.
Trying to survive chicken nugget part 1.
I died.
God! Fast shit.
Why did
Where are you?
I died? You killed me with your chicken nuggets.
Can you see me?
No, cause I died. I see. How does it see me? I'm just gonna accept my fate. The chicken nugget! Why is it so fast? It's kicking over walls. It's launching everything. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Whoa! It's launching everything. It's launching. Ah! Please, please, please.
Your chicken nugget killed you, buddy.
Nope, not yet. Where's the escape? Where's the escape? I think I saw the escape.
Whistle.
It's still chasing me. Why is it so fast?
Whistle, man.
I did.
Wait.
I'm whistling again in 3, 2, 1. It's night. Bro, can you despawn this chicken nugget, please?
Can I see you?
I see you!
Do you see my name?
Yes, I'm coming! But there's a chicken nugget chasing me! Yes! Stay still, stay still! I'm coming.
Yes, yes.
Yes, but so does a chicken nugget! There's 2 chicken nuggets! There's 2 chicken nuggets! I have 2 chicken nuggets on me! I have 2 chicken nuggets on me! Help! Help! I'm coming! Stop whistling, I can see you! The chicken nuggets can too! The chicken nuggets can too! That's all I'm gonna say. Run! 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 Run!
Why are you coming after me?
Elbozo! Uh-oh, it's chasing both of us now. Look what you, it just threw a bed at me, bro. They're both chasing you, bro. You have 7 chicken nuggets on you. You have 7 chicken nuggets on you. You have 7, you have, why do you have 10 chicken nuggets on you right now, bro? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different chicken nuggets on you. What did you do? What did you do that angered them that much?
Now they're yours.
Now they're chasing both of us. Now they're chasing both of us. Look what you did.
Okay, guys.
Look what you did. Medkit. Can I find any medkits to pick up on the way? Run!
You know how cooked we are?
Oh my god. I'm gonna pick up these hot dogs.
Everybody.
I picked up a hot dog. I picked up a hot dog. I picked up a hot dog. Why in God's name did you...
Oh my god. Listen,
You're not living. There is 100 behind you. There is a... My game's glitching out. I died. My game glitched out so hard. Bro, the second I got close, my game glitched out. I didn't even know what was happening.
My buddy.
What even happened, bro? Ooh.
There's literally 100. Oh my god, there's literally 100 chicken nuggets, bro.
Spawn more. Don't you dare teleport me to you.
I died.
And then you died.
Everyone, shut up. Where are you?
Watching out for chicken nuggets? Because chicken nuggets can see you across the entire world. They come after you no matter what. So I'm trying to get as many medkits as I can before the chicken nuggets find me again.
Oh, wait.
I know when chicken nuggets are near me. I know when chicken nuggets are near. I'm looking. Yes, I see. Yeah, I'm coming. I know when chicken nuggets are near you because my game will start lagging out. That's the only way I know. Okay, stop whistling. You're gonna track the chicken nuggets.
They're coming! They're coming!
How
Oh
did
my god!
How did they find you already? It's because you whistled, isn't it? It's because you whistled. Whistle again. Whistle again. Whistle again.
Can you see me now?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I cannot do this much longer, buddy. I'm literally 100, but... You're lagging.
Did you die?
Nah.
Don't stop running.
Fabio never dies. Fabio never dies. Oh my god. I'm literally juking that so hard. I don't know how.
Bro, your YouTube name can't be Fabio. It has to be like a good name, like Comrade, the Comrade. You are the Comrade.
Where the hell are you?
You are the Comrade.
Where the hell are you, buddy?
I'm coming.
Shit, I'm dead.
Bro,
I'm dead. I'm dead.
did you die?
Yeah. Bro, they literally touched me and I died. Look, how many of those are? It's a lot, okay? Where are you now? Where are you?
I'm not
Do you
gonna
see my
whistle.
name?
If I whistle, I'm dead. I see your name. Hold on. I don't see no chicken nuggets that killed you. How did you die?
Whistle your name. Whistle your name.
Nah, bro. If I whistle, I'm dead. Because chicken nuggets will kill me. I hear it. I hear it throwing objects around. It's coming for me. I see them. Oh my god! How did they find me?
Just come up.
They found me from across the map!
Name.
Yes, but I literally hear and see them chasing me right now. Oh my god, they're throwing furniture everywhere. They're still chasing me! Bro, they found me from across the map. I'm coming, but there's like 100. I just see them throwing everything around. I look behind me and there's like furniture in the air, bro. Bro, I can't stop running. If I stop running, I'm dead.
Where are you?
Coming. But so are the chicken nuggets!
Oh.
How do they see me?
I
How
didn't
did...
literally...
No, don't...
You're too far away. Wait. Let me help you.
No. Bro, they see me from across the map. These things are overpowered. They see me from... Thank you, but they're still coming, bro. They're still coming. Look in every direction. I don't think... Yeah?
Hey, at least we're lucky. Like, yeah, they're not here. They'll come soon.
They're about to be here. Let me see.
Hi.
I don't see them. Not yet. Here. Listen carefully, because once you start hearing tons of objects go flying, that means they're near. I heard it. Do you hear that? Where? Where? Oh my god, I see objects flying! Watch out! Behind you! Behind you! Run! My game's lagging out. If I turn around, I'm dead.
Oh my god!
Ah! 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 Ah!
I got killed.
Nathan Monroe never died!
My thing lagged.
Then don't turn around, you dumb! Ah! Nathan Monroe never dies! Why did you...
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay, listen carefully. Once you start hearing objects go flying, that means they're near.
Let's just go. Let's be like brothers. Come here.
Okay, I'm coming.
Let's go, buddy.
Wait, I found toy. I like toys. Toys are my thing.
Would you like your Rubik's Cube?
Mini. No, I like the mini figures more. This one's name is Timothy. I'm naming this guy Timothy. That guy's Noob. Timothy, Noob, and this guy's name will be the emo kid.
Wait, shush. Do you hear it?
No.
No?
Look, it's Timothy, Noob, and emo kid. You want to say hi to Timothy, Noob, and emo kid? This is my Rubik's Cube.
Yes. Very soon.
My two Rubik's Cubes. I died.
They're literally behind me.
Bro, the second I spawned in, I immediately died, bro. What? Fastest death ever. Time alive. 5 seconds.
Ow. They killed me. Oh, did it survive?
Collecting everything. Poor Timothy.
Hey, buddy, at least you're with me, buddy.
Alright, let's make a base and they probably won't be able to touch us. Actually, no, they can go through anything. They can go through anything. They're just gonna completely destroy our base.
No, you don't hear them, right?
No, I don't hear nothing. I hate you. Why are you doing that, gang?
Hey, meet the gang, guys.
Let it touch you. Let it touch you. It doesn't kill you. The only reason it kills you is because there were so many. If you let it touch you,
Stop watching me, buddy. It's not really nice.
see, it's not doing that much damage. Bro, is he saying glub 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 glub?
I don't know. Follow that guy. Right.
Let it touch you, gang. R.I.P. You're
Oh,
cooked.
they're tickling me. Tickling me. They're shit.
Bro, it's eating everything. Why are you going after me? Go after him. He's closer.
Hey, I'm little. Hey. Yo, tissue. This guy.
I hate you. 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 I